Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use some of ClickUp's most powerful features, like priorities, due dates, dependencies, and templates, and explain exactly how they work on the free plan. First, priority flags. You can still set task priorities as urgent, high, normal, or low on the free plan. This helps your team focus on what matters most. There's no limit here. Next, due dates. You can add start dates, due dates, and even time estimates to any task. For free, use the timeline view to see them all plotted out. Now, dependencies. This is a game changer. You can link tasks so one can't start until another is finished. On the free plan, you can set dependencies, but the automatic triggering feature is limited. You'll need to manually update the status of the blocking task. Finally, templates. You can create and save unlimited templates for tasks, lists, and even entire projects on the free plan. The key limitation is that you can't lock or protect a template. Anyone with edit access can modify it, so communication with your team is important, and that's it. You get tons of power with these features on the free plan. Just be aware of those small limitations to plan your workflow effectively. If you use dependencies or templates a lot, let me know how they help you in the comments. See you in the next one.